took a pre-market trade right before 9 o'clock. Grabbed a short off of yesterday's point of control here. Bearish SMA momentum on the 1 minute. Had some delta divergence triangles. Bunch of these top wicks. Point of control up into the wicks. I was able to grab 7 or 8 points before we hit this next key level here. This 50% level from the MMT 50/50. We just bounced up right off of that level. Right back up to yesterday's point of control, over 20 points. Just getting ready for the New York Open, got about a half hour. If you want to learn how to set up your charts like this, check out my previous 2 videos that have all the settings. I was a little preoccupied right at the Open. I missed this really nice down move. Had some delta divergence building up right before the market opened. The SMA momentum background went bearish 1 minute before the Open. Then the volume came into the downside. We got the red candles. We made it all the way down to S1. Got a really nice bounce off of S1. Had a bunch of SMA momentum divergence down here. Point of control down into the wicks. Popped up 30 points or so. I'm trying to be a little bit extra cautious today with triple witching. I just grabbed a short up here at the 15-minute center. It was also a previous day value area low. So the SMA and the volume were bearish as we're coming up on the 1 minute and also on the 5 minute. And also as we were coming up, the momentum of volume had dried up. We had the silver background. So on the first touch, the 15-minute center, it was also the 50 level, went for a short. On the second attempt, we broke above this area, at least temporarily. The volume momentum has still not come in. We still have the darker silver background. And there's a drop off. I was just about to hit the sell button because we went bearish on the SMA momentum background as well when we were up here in the 60s. So yeah, as price was coming up, the momentum of volume was not increasing. Now it is. We've got the white background. This was happening intrabar. As all this downward price action was coming in, saw the volume shift with this lighter background color. We've been bearish this whole time on the 5 minute as well. We just pulled up to the 20 SMA on the 5 minute, pretty much to the tick there. Just dropped off 60 points from the 20 SMA. On this last 5 minute candle, we had some strong negative delta on both the NQ and the ES. And then the volume picked back up. We got this signal arrow from the flow stack. After the close, we just dropped off about 40 points. I'm just taking it easy, waiting for the best of the best. I got into a long. I was a little sketched out. I hopped out super early. But we had a washout signal, had some divergence building up. You can see the momentum of volume was drying up, the silver background. Had some delta divergence. The SMA momentum background went bullish here. We did just pop up 30 points. This last 5 minute candle was pretty incredible with the delta. Negative 1,000 on the NQ. Negative 4,700 on the ES. After the close of that 5 minute candle, we dropped off over 20 points right away. I just grabbed a long here, maybe a little risky, but we were right around the 50 level. Had a 4 washout signal, had some SMA momentum divergence on the 5 minute, and we just popped up over 20 points. Got 15 minutes to go until 10:30. We are well below the 250 SMA. So I do like the idea of trying to get into another short at some point between now and 10:35, just depending on if we get a pullback or not. Gotta love the MMT polarity washout signals. Had point of control down at the bottom of this wick on this candle as well. I just got into that one last short trade that I was looking for. We pulled back up to whole number right at 10:30. Went for the whole number bounce short. I think I grabbed around 5 points. Just was not moving quick enough. We did just pop down to 82, but we have some green on green action here. We've got volume coming in as we're moving up, so hopped out of that trade pretty quick. Here's a much better short signal. We had a couple of washout signals. We had some SMA momentum divergence. The SMA momentum background was bearish. Then we got the volume push from the flow stack. We had some delta divergence as well. We had the volume momentum returning with the lighter background on this candle with the big wick right off of yesterday's low. And we're getting a nice push down now. I'm up nicely in the Lucid and the Apex accounts. It's after 10:30. Just gonna call it a day here. Take Profit Trader has 40% off right now with no activation fee. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. And again, if you want to learn how to set up your charts like this, there are links in the description for the previous 2 videos with all the settings. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.